Platypus is local animal of Australia. Outrun platypus is just only species of them.people.com. We can find Eastern Australia only. Platypus will forage at night. Outrun they form on Earth. But they forage and like to live in fresh water. They hang slim body and membrane between their vertebrae so they can swim well. Platypus is reclusive and has their own area. It will fight for protect own area. Hence is rarely because most of them stay in own area. Highlight. Con pre-treatment and body every time. Aim platypus will have long pivot 1.5 centimeters. Link to toxins at leg. Most of platypus will escape than fighting. The size of the robot. Length 80 centimeters. Width 40 centimeters. Height 20 centimeters. Platypus robotic function. Insecticide. Swimming pool.